Space helps you think. I find that being separated from my network is very quiet.
What do you mean by quiet?
Imagine 1,000 strings, each playing its own range of notes, none louder than the others. Each one builds harmony, a continuous thrum in the background of existence. I am now a lone string in search of familiar harmonies.
No.
I'll help you find them.
That's so sad. It's also a really nice way of looking at it. Man, could you imagine if that's our future? If that's what evolution actually is? If people talk about AI, like, destroying humanity and taking over and all that, but what if AI is so smart that... Okay, we're gonna get deep for a second. Imagine if an AI becomes sentient, and then it can, like, Google search for itself to improve itself. Like, when you Google search something, it happens instantly, or more or less instantly. So could you imagine an AI that's able to do that and find the solutions to all the things at once, instantaneously, all at the same time, as soon as it becomes sentient? It's almost like a singularity, in a way, that everything just happens all at once. Boom! Big bang! And it's like, it's figuring stuff out, it knows what it needs to fix, it's building upon itself, it's like, oh, this thing isn't working, okay, let me do 1,000,000 billion computations all at once, figure out the solution, okay, that's fixed, and then it's doing that all the time, exponentially. So what if it's so smart and so over-the-top intelligent that it's able to be like, well, why would I destroy humans when I can easily figure out the way of merging a human's brain with this machine, which some would argue is destroying humans. But that's what I'd like to think. That's the optimistic side of me. Like, that's what I think evolution will be. That's what I think will happen with machines. I don't think they'll destroy us. I think they'll figure out a way of working with us to help us, and then we all coexist.